Almost the entire Gauteng province SAPS members, they are working with the drug cartels. Yes, that's right, ungizokuhle. That's what was said by Ubaba Umtungwa Ukhumalo. Lochani, Gubafana Msizalo, exactly 15th January 2026. Ubaba Ukhumalo Umtungwa, the Lieutenant General of the Head of Crime Intelligence and as well as the project leader of the PKTT, bega appear lapha in the ad hoc committee for allegations now khumbula ngisho waka Babu General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So as always, let's summarize today's testimony. Umtungwa started by disclosing his background in terms of the work experience, ukuthi uthome kuphi in the SAPS and futhi up until he worked through the ranks, same as General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Guys, the chairperson of the ad hoc committee told us today Parliament ebaholile. Did you know the Parliament ebahola nge 15? I mean, I didn't know, but nevertheless, let's get started. So, guys, yesterday the SC, the senior council, it was Arens, of which the guy that I told you about, he didn't give so much energy, and then today they changed the SC. Babega Umaria Mukhwaetsi. Yeah, I think I'm pronouncing this surname all right. Mukhwaetsi. Babega yena as the senior council that was cross-questioning Ubaba Umtungwa Ukhumalo. I think we need to give this lady a shout out, guys. She did an amazing job. I think Andrenze needs to understand and learn from this young lady. How do you cross-question like a witness? You let the witness as khulumele, like as express the way Afunu's expressing a con. So let's get to what happened today. Ne? So after Umtungwa asked Thulela about the background yake in the SAPS and as well as crime intelligence and being the project leader of the PKTT, that lady, guys, on the right hand side, Ubongi Mkhize, that was sitting with Maria. So Umchunu, Lieutenant General Khumalo uthe basho umchunu light in the reasoning of the PKTT in terms of the disbandment, because he said ukuthi the disbandment it was because of the budget and whatnot, and then Khumalo wathi there are other task teams, they've been there before the PKTT. Why Warner? They are not disbanded by the PKTT. It is disbanded because of budget. So it means ukuthi umchunu light under oath lapha in the ad hoc committee, and he said that ukuthi almost the whole Gauteng province SAPS members, they are working with drug cartels. No wonder uKhumalo lo weshole ethi sizokuthola bamfuna kangaka musi. Uthi most of the SAPS members are sebenzisana nama drug cartels and other cartels. So it means ukuthi like most of the police officers lapha eGauteng babolile, in short. And then there was a lady by the name of Nonhlanhla Malambe or Ishua Uket Matlala passport in Swaziland. So he said that Home Affairs official was arrested because very definitely Uket Matlala une passport yase Swaziland, and also Uket Matlala lied about those guns between Yakumula interaction yake between yena and Darlene James. Darlene James ati he went to Pretoria police station to confirm the guns, and then Uket Matlala wati hey che Musari Wayaka. Do you still remember that story, guys? So exactly, it means ukuthi Darlene James was alright, was correct and alright with that information. Ukuthi Uket Matlala lied ukuthi impamu lezi bezingekho lapha SAPS Central. Is it Central? Yeah, I think it was. It's either Brooklyn Police Station. Yeah, I think it was Brooklyn Police Station. So we also mentioned ukuthi City case they operate through tenderpreneurship, but actor as abantu aba win tender and whatnot. Also, the Major General Richard Shibiri, this guy on the right hand side, guys, but who involved in every shenanigans, and as well as Nguyumunde ebegatata ama bribes ku Katiso Molefe, and as well as he's one of the person that was seen asa impahla the time Katiso Molefe when he was arrested, and as well as he was also seen driving a car without the registration number. And after Katiso Molefe, after the case of Yaga Arman Swartle, Fernachen, IPJ PKTT. This is the same general that wanted that docket so that Azokonu Yenza a cold case because of his a friend with Ukatiso Molefe, and Ukatiso Molefe is involved in that case. Nangbamba Musikutingiapi. ne. So they said ukuthi also Julius Malema wabuza ukuthi why Shibiri asajika in the office of the SAPS or angaboshwa, and then Mtunga wa emphasize ukuthi no, that is a work in progress, like case less is Ipenya, but it's at the advanced stage. And then he also mentioned the problems of the PKTT, which is started on the 6th of December 2024 when they arrested Ukatiso Molife. And then he also said to Upran Mukhozi, guys, Upran Mukhozi is a cheerleader amongst these drug cartel syndicates. So Upran Mukhozi is just there, like he's on the sideline. He's not the part of the syndicate, but it's just the cheerleader. And also what I've noticed ukuthi uGodfrey Libya, guys, uGodfrey Libya seems like everybody has been like forgotten about him, the head of Hawks lo retired. Kwenzakalani? Why everybody nimkhohliwe uGodfrey Libya? Niyakhohlwa ukuthi uGodfrey Libya is one of the implicated person. Niyakhumbula ngalo kuMadlanga, he was mentioned a lot of times, but seems like everybody ngapha ku-ATO committee abamention kuthulekile nje. And also like one thing that I've noticed, i-ATO committee ngathi azange yenze like research or iyengalo kuMadlanga to research more about what was said by Ubaba Umtunga Ukhumalo, because I see even they are questioning, they are just going light nje, they are not going like into detail. And futhi I also noted ukuthi like since the MKP came into parliament, EDA kancane guys iba relevant. Have you noticed that? EDA kancane iba relevant. Abo Breitenbach, nabo Kola Barnard, lapa nabo Ian Cameroon and these other political parties, they are becoming relevant. There's few key individuals as corner lapa in the ATO committee that they are making impact or that they're making a value. So ANC member questioning, guys, mina today I did not understand it. Like abo Kusela Digo, I did not understand the questioning yabo, guys. Also questioning Gaso Kanyile, I did not understand. It was not making sense. Actually Uso Kanyile was protecting Umchunu the way bega questioning ngakhona, because of beyazama ukuveza ukuthi no, isayit la kaMchunu libe clean so that Umchunu can be reinstated into his position. Umchunu asamfuni in parliament, case closed. Umchunu akaye KZN ayogada inkomo. Also uNomvalo, guys, he sneaked a case in indirectly. So, and also one thing that I did not like that favor, some boring ngo December ukhulumena ngecase and then jiki sekafuna Umtunga assist about that case. How many cases are there in South Africa that needs attention, and then just because of ngoba you are in parliament then you must be given a preference? No man, Mr. Nomvalo, don't do that. And then also Ukhumalo said that uSibiya ukuthi he's incompetent because nanga menza assessment uSibiya ngeke even pass nge 50%, and they are not even like close to be friends. So uSibiya akaqualify nje ukuthi angaba mngana. And also he mentioned ukuthi the police officers that they were sent to endlini kaKate Matlala when he was arrested, nyakhumbula. So those police officers, nyakhumbula uKate Matlala uthe there were many, almost 100. So Umtunga uchazile what? No, those police officers, they were like 8. Can you imagine? So guys, so far those are the main key point that I want to mention that have been mentioned by Babu Mtunga. If ever there's something that I'm leaving in the comment section, let me know in the comment section so that we can like dissect and go into details. But so far, guys, I'm happy with Babu Mtunga and the way as Vezenga Kona. Also, he mentioned to Wuti case yakhe leya lapha ku the, is it IDEC? Yeah, like lapha ku IDEC, it was just to disturb some project ebebasebenza kizo in terms of arresting more people. But yena Umtunga, guys, we really need abantu abafana noKhumutso Phahlane, abantu abafana no General Mkhwanazi, abantu abafana no Babu Khumalo. Like we need police officers that are so ethical and that they do their job at the best capability. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, follow for more. I think also tomorrow he's still continuing, but I'm not sure because at the time of recording this video, the session in Parliament of the ATO committee was still in progress. Follow for more. Like, comment, and repost. But I'm so happy. Today we've got a new senior counsel, and that lady, guys, she did an amazing job. I don't know, or maybe I'm charmed. Am I sounding like a charmed person? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks, guys.